Hello guys, greetings to all of you future engineers. I'm Remson Oliveros and I'm a Lyceum Mechanical Engineer and I graduated last 2018 batch. 2018 nga. So yun, 2 years ago now I'm 23 years old and I'm currently working as a design piping engineer in JGC Philippines in Alabang. So it's basically an EPC company, meaning engineering, procurement, and construction. So I've been working there for 1 year now. Nitong October 21 lang po. So yun, kaka 1 year ko lang, pero yung experience ko kasi I consider it as less than a year pa din kasi medyo, di ba nga, 2020 ang dami nangyari, so apektado si work, apektado si experience. Medyo na-post lang din konti yung project. Pero ngayon, thankful pa din kasi tuloy na ulit. Back to normal na and resume na ulit si project. So, tuloy na ulit si experience and tuloy na ulit si work. So, yun. So far yung experience. Pero ang i-highlight ko na lang po siguro ngayon is yung feeling and opportunities po natin for our never-ending learning and curiosity. Saka, di ba, kapag engineering ka, parang nagmumukha ka na rin matalino. Kahit pa paano, ayun. Kaya ako nag-engineering. And then, joke. And to know the potential of us engineers kasi parang sobrang laki ng significance natin para sa mundo. Makatulong sa kapwa, makatulong sa, pati na rin sa buong mundo, di ba? And na-realize ko yun simula nung thesis kasi parang ang dami mong pwedeng i-apply sa daily lives natin. Ang dami mong pwedeng may apply sa ibang bagay na pwedeng i-develop niya. So, lalo na sa technology, di ba? So, ayun, malaki yung potential natin as engineers for the whole world. Naging malaking part na ng buhay ko yung engineering and sana mas magustuhan nyo pa and maging part na din siya ng buhay nyo. Kasi despite the negative encounters, kasi nandyan kasi talaga yan, pero mas madami pa din talagang likable experiences na makukuha nyo from engineering dito sa field natin. So, pagpatuloy nyo lang, keep growing. And I just want to say that engineers, you're on the right path. Siguro po my favorite type or part of work that I do according to my current profession, according to my current job as a design piping engineer, siguro po is to be able to solve problems that I encounter with a group of people, with a group of friends, sa mga ka-work ko po ngayon. Yung feeling kasi na magtatanong ka ng question na parang na-experience na nila, tapos sasabihin nila, good question, good question. Diba yung ganun? Parang ang sarap niya sa pakiramdam kasi iba pa yung makuha mo yung sagot dun sa tanong mo. Kasi papasok dun yung knowledge nila, yung wisdom nila, and yung mga experiences nila about dun sa umiikot dun sa tinanong mo. So, madami kang malalaman sa isang question mo lang. Tsaka siguro isa na din sa factor yung pag-work lang sa office as a design engineer, drawing ka lang sa mga platforms nila, like AutoCAD, di ba, mga ganun. And yeah, that's what I like about my current work. For me, you can already say that a person is a great engineer if you're already practicing professionalism, if you already feel this determination, drive, and motivation that keeps you going all throughout your engineering career. And when you're already accepting challenges, whatever risks it have, because you already trust your processes, yourself, and you already trust your methods. When you're already accepting your mistakes wholeheartedly, and when you're accepting new lessons learned, new wisdom, new advices from others, and most importantly is humility. And lastly, siguro konting advice na lang from Kuya Ren, and just be faithful to your goals, just be faithful to your dream careers. Kung ano man yung gusto nyo, kung ano yung nasa puso nyo, sundin nyo. Parang kanta yun. Kung nasan yung passion nyo, doon kayo magstay. Kasi doon kayo talaga mag-excel. And sana dito sa engineering, mas magpatuloy pa yung curiosity nyo and yung growth nyo. Kasi sobrang daming opportunities yung naghihintay sa inyo. And huwag kayong mahiya magtanong sa professors nyo and enjoy your time with your classmates. Enjoy your studies, wag masyadong seryoso. Just do your best in everything and everything will be better. So, yun. Good luck sa studies nyo and God bless to you all future engineers. Saludo. Thank you. Bye-bye.